Being a creative genius isn't a requirement for becoming successful, and it isn't necessary to patent the most useful product on the planet to realize your dreams. There are plenty of rich people who haven't created anything in their lives. What's their secret? It's simple: they make wise investment decisions. You can do the same. In this video, I will tell you the 3 top tips you need for personal investment. When it comes to personal investments, it can be complicated to figure out which ventures are worth investing in. Consider these tips to make the most of your investments. 1. Pay off high-interest debt. Many of us have spent most of our adult lives struggling to get out of debt. High-interest debt can cripple your personal finances. It might sound like a good idea to put an item on your credit card and just pay a small fee each month, but usually, you pay much more for a product purchased with credit. Your total price often includes years of payments. Focus on eliminating these high-interest payments. Make this your #1 goal. Clear away your debt. And you'll be free to do as you please. Getting rid of your debt will give you more money to use for investing. 2. Invest in stocks. It isn't necessary to wear a business suit and visit Wall Street each day to buy and sell stocks. New businesses sprout up every day, and some of these businesses will end up developing into massive empires in the next few years. Get your foot in the door early and purchase stocks, but realize that there's a risk of the company plummeting. There are thousands of books that educate people on the best ways to invest in stocks, but it's nearly impossible to predict how well a stock will do on the market. Some will grow rapidly and generate plenty of revenue, while others will crash and be gone forever. I will link to my favorite videos about stock in the description below. Despite the stock market being unpredictable, investing in stocks is a good idea. The average long-term stock market return is over 10%. Spread your investments over several different companies. Dedicate a percentage of your monthly budget to stock investments. 3. Get in touch with your inner entrepreneur. Once you condition your mind to be on the lookout for potential business ideas, the opportunities are endless. Find like-minded individuals and start sharing business ideas, tips, and tricks. There are plenty of groups and events dedicated to entrepreneurs. It's the perfect way to socialize with others who share your interest. Acquire as much knowledge as you can from the success of others. Pick the brains of those who are already successful and see what you can learn. One simple conversation could change your life forever. Read websites dedicated to entrepreneurs and soak up as much information as possible. Learn through trial and error. Sitting on information isn't a good idea. Put the information to good use and see if you can create a sustainable business. If it doesn't go as planned, you can move on to something else. Personal investments are an important part of creating a financially stable future. The best time to invest is now rather than later. If you found value in this video, then hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Maybe you should watch this video next.